This is GeoStrings, or rather the way GeoStrings used to look. We had a map background with a blue overlay that had a watermarked image of a string on a finger. And the string on the finger represents reminders, and the map represents location. And that's what GeoStrings is all about, is setting location-based reminders. But we wanted to change it up a little bit and give GeoStrings a fresh new look. And this is what it looks like now. So we've kept the image of the string on the finger, because really that's the essence of GeoStrings, is reminding you of things that you have to do. And there's a little bright light at the top of the finger, and that represents an aha moment. So as you're driving around town and you get a GeoString alert, because there's something that you have to do at that particular location, you're going to say to yourself, aha, I remember I have to do that. So that's what the new look represents. And I think it's a bit cleaner and a bit crisper than the old look. But if you don't like this new look, or if you really want to just change it up every now and then, you now have the ability to customize the look of GeoStrings to anything you'd like under the preferences screen. So the first thing you can do is change the way the overlay looks. So you can make it more transparent, or actually this would be more transparent and this is less transparent. You can also change the color. So I could adjust the red, green, and blue levels to anything I'd like, to change it to any color of the rainbow. So if I like orange, or maybe if I want it to be a little bit more purple, I can go ahead and change that and save it, and now my app looks like this. I can also change the wallpaper by tapping this button. And let me go ahead and change it to this particular wallpaper. This is what I'm using on my phone right now. Oh, there's an alert pop-up. I'm going to talk about alert pop-ups in a minute, so let me go ahead and snooze that, and it'll come back up in a minute. But anyways, so now I've changed the wallpaper image to be this kind of cool landscape with a sci-fi theme to it, with this planet in the sky. I don't think purple looks good with this. Let me go ahead and change this, I think, to something. Oh, that's kind of nice. So I'll save that, and this is what it looks like now. I could go through my location history, scroll through there, and this is what it looks like now. Let me go back to the preferences screen. One other setting that I have on here is the alert pop-up font color. I'm going to change this from black to white. Let me go ahead and save this. This does not affect the font color of the app itself, but what it does is affect the font color of the alert pop-up. And if you remember, about a minute ago I snoozed it, so it should be coming back up any second now. And the reason I'm doing this is that this particular wallpaper image is very dark. So when it's displayed on the alert pop-up, if I chose a black font, it's going to be illegible. And so that's why I changed it to white, and there it is. So if you can imagine, if this was black, this would be completely illegible. But now that it's white, I can read it very easily. I can read all the text very easily. Let me go ahead and disable that. So that's what that setting is about. And just as an FYI, this particular setting is available in version 1.0.7 or later of the app. As I'm shooting this video right now, the version in the app catalog is 1.0.6. But 1.0.7 is actually coming. It's been submitted to Palm for review. So hopefully by the time you see this video, that will be available for download. But if you are running an earlier version, 1.0.6, you will not have this this selection, but you will have it in the next few days. And incidentally, talking about versions, you can always view your current version by going to the About screen, and it's right there. So if you wanted to check that out, you could. Let's go back to the Preferences screen. The other thing you could do on here is to restore the default settings. So if you liked the original look of the app and you just wanted to change it back, that's the way you could do it. As you're using the GeoStrings app and you start experimenting with some different wallpapers and with some different looks, please post the screenshots or links to the images that you're using on this video as a response in the comment section, or as a video response. You know, I'm interested in seeing the different things that people do with the look of the app, because I think people are going to have fun with this. even when you choose something, a particular wallpaper that you like, I think every now and then you're going to want to switch it up because a particular wallpaper is going to get, kind of dull and stale after a while. So it'll be nice to be able to switch it up every few weeks or even every few days. But so this is the new aesthetic customizations of GeoStrings.